Welcome to my art channel. In this exciting episode, I will take you on a journey into the world of creativity as I draw one of the most iconic characters in anime, or Noah Zoro from One Piece. But that's not all. I will also tell you his exciting story and how he has become one of the most famous swordsmen in the history of anime. Join me as I trace each line with care and passion to capture the essence of Zoro on paper. You'll learn some drawing tips and tricks along the way, so make sure you have your paper and pencils ready to join in the fun. Also, don't miss the fascinating backstory of Zoro and his journey in search of his dream and becoming the strongest swordsman in the world. Discover his challenges, his most epic moments, and how he has evolved as a character throughout the series. This video is perfect for art lovers and One Piece fans alike, so be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Get ready to immerse yourself in the world of Zoro's art and history as we enjoy this exciting experience together. Zoro is not just any swordsman. He's a guy with a dream as big as the Grand Line itself. Zoro's dream is to become the world's greatest swordsman, and he's not just swinging one sword, he's got three. That's right, triple the sword slashing action. Our story begins with Zoro as a bounty hunter, but he joins the Straw Hat Pirates led by Captain Luffy to chase even bigger dreams. Along the way, he faces ferocious foes, like the Fishman swordsman Hatchin, and hones his skills through intense training sessions. Zoro's loyalty and unyielding spirit are as sharp as his swords. His ultimate goal? To take down the current world's greatest swordsman, Dracula Mihawk. So join us on this thrilling adventure with Zoro as he cuts his way through danger and sails the high seas in search of his destiny. It's a tale of epic battles, amazing friendships, and one man's quest to become a legend. So grab your swords and set sail with Noah Zoro in the world of One Piece.